Hey guys, meet Brooklyn. It's the morning time. So good morning, good afternoon. Have a good night. I don't want to say good night. Okay. Sorry, my dog. So obviously you can tell by the title. Obviously you can see by the title, and if you can't read, then obviously you're gonna know that I'm obviously playing slime, I haven't had this on my channel for like the last slime videos because I thought I had it. Wait, I think last slime video I did. Whatever. You know that it's obviously my favorite. It's actually gotten more better. I want to say it's sticky, but it's not sticky. It's kinda. It's like a, I forgot to tell you guys that it's actually like, I'm gonna call it like a butter slime. Like if people ask what type of slime it is, I'm just gonna say it's a butter slime because it's a consistency of butter slime and it looks like butter slime. But yeah. And I actually changed the name of it. It's called Ocean. Because, you know, people picture oceans like blue. And it has kinetic sand in it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like, yeah. It has kinetic sand in it. And there's sand, like the underwater is sand. So, yeah. Called it Ocean. And then there's a new slime. So I don't know if I ever had this on my channel. Actually, I don't think I did. But I went to Nep's Fun World and I won 170 tickets. And then I picked a slime. There was actually 2 slimes, but I hate the other one. It's like a jiggly slime. And I just put foam beads in it and then foam balls in it. What is on my hand? Whatever. Okay. And there's a rock in it for some reason, but I don't care. So obviously it's a clear slime, it's small. So yeah, here, zoom in a bit. So, like, yeah, so. And it's just in this little egg container. There was an alien in it, but then I took the alien out because it just looks stupid, and I think I also lost it. So I'm just hoping that the dogs didn't eat it. If I lost it, I lose a lot of things, and I don't want animals to die. So yeah, let's just hope. Okay. This one is not new, but I also put foam beads in it. I played with these earlier. And yeah, when I first got it out today, the beads were all at the top. And then when you would like poke it, it would sound so satisfying and look so satisfying. I should have put a video. Oh, ew. I don't want the slime. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I was thinking of what I called this, and I realized that it was called fall leaf because like it's the color of fall. And the foam beads just made it look like it. And now this looks like not saliva, like pimples or something and gushing blood. Let's just not think it like that. Ew, it kind of feels like it too. And if you're asking how I know what it feels like, trust me, my brother has a lot of pimples. And yes, I do have a brother. I have 3 siblings. They just don't live with me. They all live in Port Hope. So this one has a different texture now. Whenever you add foam beads to slime, it always has like a different texture, not just like touching like foam bead slime, like not just touching slime with foam beads texture. Like it either gets hard or sticky or something like that. Mine's kind of both, but before it was like really watery. So this is like the perfect texture now. Sometimes the foam beads do come out, and I just saw one and it was about to come out. But I have good eyes. So, yeah. And guys, if you also want to follow my TikTok account, then I will tell you it once I find a piece of paper and a marker. In my next video, which I'm probably also going to do today, will be in. I do like 3 or 2 videos a day. Okay, I've been playing with the slime too much. And if I don't have my big pink one on now, it's because that one stains the counter, as you can see. Like it's all stained. Yeah. Like it's stained. You can see all the pink and stuff. Like yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna put on cardboard. Sorry, I'll put it back this way. I'm trying to see what other slime I have. Okay, I'll bring this one, but I'm not going to take it out because if it stains the counter, it's going to be my fault. So, you'll see the bunny ears. I have a case. Now I have to okay. Ow, I hit on the habits. Okay, I took some of it out for you guys. Let me see. Oh, no. Oh, no. Sorry if you can hear Bailey sniffing. Bailey sniffing. I have to take. So, sorry if you can hear everybody. It's the morning again. Okay. Okay, so that was all of them. And hope you guys subscribe, give it a like, and click the bell that's right beside the subscribe button when you press the subscribe button, so you know whenever I post. So bye guys.